I just ordered another Commodore computer a couple weeks ago and it came today in the mail. It's a Commodore 128. So I thought I'd show the box and the keyboard and stuff and what it looks like. The seller did something a little interesting, or kind of annoying, I guess, with this computer. He mailed it in the box that it originally came in, so I guess it's not much of a collector's item anymore, but I guess the box was pretty beat anyway, and it made an interesting conversation with the postal lady when she dropped it off. But anyway, Commodore 128. I got the stupid Canadian postal thing on there. Where my address was and the seller's address I've crossed out. You got a big C in the corner here. So the side looks like this. Commodore 128 personal computer. Let's see what we got on this side here. Some writing. Commodore 128 features. 128K of user memory, expandable to 512K. 40 and 80 column color output, professional style keyboard, 14 key numerical keypad, 16 colors with high resolution graphics, built-in BASIC 7.0 with over 140 commands, advanced sound capabilities. 3 separate modes of operation, Commodore 64, Commodore 128, CP/M plus version 3.0. This box includes a Commodore 128 personal computer, which is right here, a power supply, which is down here, it's frickin' huge, a AV switch box, which did not come with it, a connecting cable, an RF cable, so that's what I'm using. I use an RF cable with my Coleco, so I have that attached to it, an introduction to the Commodore 128, which I also didn't get, a Commodore 128 systems guide, which I didn't get either, warranty information. So the back of this thing. So I guess this would be like your ideal setup with the mouse and the disk drive and the printer and the Commodore monitor. So they show the different things that are available. The Commodore monitor, the 1571 single disk drive, the printer, the different modems, the mouse. Wide range of uses for your Commodore system. Home, business, telecommunications, spreadsheet, word processing, data management, recreation, accounting, file manager, telecommunications, education, general curriculum, computer literacy. We have a few screenshots down here. The easiest way to use a computer, Jane. And learn about sciences, sky travel. Professional word processing, and creative artistic graphics. So I have the computer on right now. It's in Commodore 64 mode. I have the fast load cartridge here stuck into it. All the keys work. I'd say it's yellowed a little bit. It looks a lot more yellow on the screen there, but I'd say it has a little bit. So I look forward to being able to use this. I can't run any programs yet because I don't actually have any cartridges. I have ordered I think it's called an SD to IC. It's basically a clone of the Commodore disk drive. So I'll be using that with both the Commodore 128 and the VIC-20. So I look forward to doing some more videos with these. Hopefully I'll do some more videos in a couple weeks. There's another one for the Vectrex I've been wanting to do, but I keep putting off. I haven't ordered any homebrew lately. There really hasn't been a lot. There's been a few games, but not many. I expect in the fall there'll be more. So yeah, look forward to more videos in the future. Remember to like and subscribe the video. Thanks.